Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet table runner designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet table runner is a long, decorative piece of fabric made by hand using crochet techniques that is designed to be placed down the center of a dining table, coffee table, or sideboard. Instead of covering the whole table like a tablecloth, it acts as an accent bit that adds a style, texture, and charm to the surface. Key features of crochet table runners: handmade artistry, created with intricate sticks, often showcasing lace-like patterns, floral motifs, or geometric designs. Materials typically made with cotton thread or fine yarn for durability and a refined look. Length and shape usually long and narrow, but size vary depending on the table. Rectangular, oval, or even round version exist. Styles can range from vintage and symmetric lace patterns to bold modern designs. Uses of a crochet table runner adds a decorative centerpiece to a table, protects the table surface from scratches or spills, enhances the ambience for everyday use or special occasions, complements farmhouse counters, fantastic or rustic decor styles beautifully. A crochet table runner is both functional and decorative, blending handmade charm with practical elegance. Here are some practical and stylish tips for crochet table runners, especially if you love vintage cottage or farmhouse inspired decor. Design and crochet tips: choose the right thread or yarn. Use cotton crochet thread for a delicate lace look, perfect for vintage or cottage styles. Use linen or jute yarn for a rustic farmhouse vibe. For cozy cottage charm, try soft pastel yarns like rose, sheep's green, or cream. Pick classic patterns. Downy style lace runners add elegance to dining tables. Granny scar runners look charming on farmhouse or cottage coffee tables. Peanut crochet crate-like designs allows you to add flowers, feathers, or in details. Consider edzing. A scalloped or peacock edge makes it look refined. For rustic style, a simple straight edge is better. Size matters. Standard dining tables look best with runners that hangs 6 to 10 inches over each end. Coffee tables or sideboards look lovely with shorter versions. Styling tips: layering effect. Place the crochet runner over a solid tablecloth, linen or cotton, so the openwork patterns stand out. Use contrasting colors: white crochet cover, a charcoal table, or pastel crochet cover, a natural linen cloth. Seasonal touches: add fresh flowers in messengers or ceramic pitchers for spring or summer. Pair with candles, pine cones, or greenery in autumn or winter. Mix with decor. Works beautifully under vintage vases, cottage style teapots, or farmhouse trays. Avoid overcrowding. Let the crochet details shine. Color harmony: classic white or creams matches vintage elegance. Use soft pastels like blush pink, shades, powder blue. Highlight cottage romance. Use natural beige, gray, or antique tones to suit a rustic farmhouse look. Practical protection if using on a dining table. Place clear glass coaster or mats over it so the crochet does not get stained. Add matching accents. Coordinate with crochet placements, coasters, or chair covers for a unified cozy look. Crochet making tips. Experiment with stitches. Combine simple stitches like double crochet with lace patterns for texture contrast. Try motif joinings. Stage on long bead. Make small motifs like flowers, hexagons, or squares and join them. This creates a patchwork charm. Play with white. A narrow runner looks elegant on a formal dining table, while a wide runner works well on rustic farmhouse tables. Use gradient yarn that changes color gradually, gives your runner a soft, flowing look without changing yarns. Blocking is key. After finishing, always block your runner with and shape it flat so the stitches open beautifully. Decor and styling tips. Double runners. Use two shorter crochet runners placed across the width of the table instead of on long one. Great for farmhouse style. Mix fabrics. Combine crochet with linen panels. Half crochet, half linen runner for a unique cottage look. Accent with ruffles. Add ruffled crochet ends for romantic cottage or showbiz feel. Use in unexpected places. Place crochet runners on dressers, buffets, or console tables, not just dining tables. Layer with oat. A crochet runner or a raw oat table makes the contrast pop, perfect for rustic decor. Creative uses band tables, curtain accents. Place a crochet runner across the curtain rod as a balance. Bed accents. Use a wide crochet runner across the foot of the bed as a decorative layer. Self-styling. Line a farmhouse shelf or hut with a crochet runner for a cozy touch. Wall decor. Frame a vintage crochet runner as art for a cottage-style gallery wall. Chair accents. Chop a narrow runner across the back of a chair for an old-fashioned and charming look. Crochet making enhancements. Open part and solid mix. Alternate sections of lace and solid stitches. Sew parts of the table pick, while others look fuller. Frings finish. Add tassels or frings on the ends for a playful boho farmhouse touch. Layered runner. Crochet two narrow straps and stitch them together with a lacy middle inside for extra elegance. Neutral tight trains. Splat tight cotton, nectarine, turmeric, or bedshirt for soft, earthy cottage colors. Patchwork styles. Collect leftover motifs like flowers, hexagons, and stars and assemble them into a runner. Gives a cozy homemade feel. Decor styling inspiration. Seasonal Swiss outs. Have multiple runners. Lace white for summer, earthy beige for fall, deep shade or green for winter. Rustic plus elegant combo. Place a delicate crochet runner over a burlap strip for farmhouse layering. Highlight the ends, leave the runner ends hang over the table, and add little crochet flower emblems at each tip. Candle glow effect. Place tea lights or fairy lights along the runner crochet holes which let the light glow through beautifully. Unexpected and creative uses. Outdoor tea table. Use crochet runners for garden tea parties paired with floral china. Window set accents. Place a white runner across a window set cushion for a vintage goddess layer. Decorating. Put a crochet runner on a console in the hallway with a welcoming vase of flowers. The status make crochet table runners versatile decor accents, not just for dining tables, but as little storytellers of warmth, charm, and handmade elegance. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!